Hello everyone, welcome back to the fresh video of Grow with Anshuman. So I Anshuman Misra welcome you here onto the very fresh and exciting video of how to manifest. So in your life, have you ever observed or have you ever realized that some of the things you had been taught and it occurs to you? Like you had thought only to encounter or meet with some people, or after some days you get to meet with them, or some of the time you have just imagine to see a car and you just get it in front of you. That those things happen with you. So yes, so these are few little examples of how manifestation work. Even in real life, I had faced this thing and I have encountered, I have manifested for so many times and the things get real. So in this video onwards, I'm gonna to tell you how you can also manifest. Manifestation actually works, guys. So let me bring it to the step by step thing that what manifestation is, how to manifest, and how the things really get to you. So without wasting our time, let's get start this. So let's understand the whole psychology behind manifestation. What is manifestation? Manifestation basically stand for the thoughts, the things you really wanted to achieve, and you started believing that that is already what I was having in me. Let's suppose you wanted to get something that is your dream and you started thinking that you already possess that thing. So in a sense you can call it manifestation, because even that the physically that thing is not available to you, you started feeling, and with the time after doing right action and all, you get that thing to you. So now some of the person started making controversy that Anshuman, like, does it really make sense to only think about a thing, and does it really make sense that after manifesting something, is it really gonna to come to you? So yes, it actually works, but the thing is, not only manifestation work. Manifestation with right action will always work. That is another agenda, but here I'm really in solely focus on to that manifestation part. So let's suppose you wanted to achieve something in your life. Let's suppose you wanted to have something in terms of material progress. You wanted a car with full of your heart, right? That could be anything. BMW people do have been fantasized with Ranger or whatever things you really wanted to achieve. You manifested it that someday I will have this, and you somehow believe that you are having that thing. Daily you are recalling your mind and your whole body that you are having Range Rover, you are having that thing, you are having good friends, you met with PM Modi, like whatever you are being manifestation. And after a certain point of the time, even few of the books had also given the significance that this works, like power of subconscious mind, law of attraction is also somewhere being concerned with that, says that if continuously before going to the bed and after rising down, rising up in the morning, you continuously start recalling the things to your mind subconsciously, it is gonna to rebrain your thoughts in your mind. And I had also encountered and made a video that how you can reprogram your brain, right? So after a certain point of time, that thing get indulged with you, and once you start believing that you already possess that thing, then things will be started being easy for you. Because if you really wanted to achieve something, firstly what is the process to achieve that? Firstly you start believing that you are having before even going and telling people that they gonna to believe that you gonna to get it. Even before that, that is first thing that you need to believe on your dreams, on yourself. So because you are reminding a lot in morning and evening, and every time you are telling a thing that you are already having that thing, somewhere after certain point of time, your body, your mind, your soul is going to believe that you possess that thing, and your action will be oriented that you already possess that thing. But still I'm saying that is more subjective, that really takes a lot of efforts, a good action, a strategy, and a good plan to execute the things what you really wanted. Because it seems gimmicky and it seems really fake when somebody says just you can achieve anything just by saying. Yeah, it is possible, but in a greater context. For that, you'll have to take action, you'll have to make plans, you'll have to show up and do the consistently a thing what you had planned for you. But at end of the video, I really wanted to say everything is start with manifestation, with belief, with believing in your idea, in your dreams. So start manifesting the thing before you really get it, because that is the first step. So here I'm gonna to end this video, and I feel that if you really get something insightful, you wanted to do some comment, or you really wanted to know any other aspect of language, or you wanted you to make any videos, or you wanted to recommend anything to me, so comment down your thought. I will be answering each and every comment. So thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.